Okay guys, we got the NAVAC NRS2 IO1 wireless refrigerant scale. I have an idea on how I want to give this away finally. Okay guys, so I got it all figured out how I am going to give away, let me move that over, how I'm going to give away the scale finally. I just showed it to you. It's a nice scale. Still in the box, never been opened. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know I tried to give it away via live streams, and it wasn't working out too well. It just wasn't enough traffic and not getting enough entry. So I'm going to try this a different way. So here's what I'm going to do. First, I'm going to go with either, no, let's do this. I'll go with, we're going to take guesses for 1 week from today. So today is what, the 26th, I think? Anyway, today is a Wednesday. We'll do this until next Wednesday. Okay? Are you still with me here? Sorry, it took me a long way to get to that, but we're going to do this contest for 1 week from today. So here's what we're going to do. So as you guys know, I'm a one-man band, right? I work by myself. I occasionally get an extra set of hands from my brother. Occasionally get some help here and there. But really, honestly, it's all me. If you've watched my channel since last June, or if you go back and watch, you'll see what I do on a daily basis, what my bread and butter is. Occasional little service calls, but a lot of installs. 1, 2, 3, 4 day installs. Residential retrofit mostly, okay? Residential retrofit and replacement. So here's what we're going to do. If you can guess what I made in gross profit for the calendar year last year, 2024, if you can get within $1,000, the scale is yours. And you have to be the first one to do it. We're going to put your number in the comments, and whoever gets closest, well, if you can get within 1,000, I'll give it to you automatically. But ultimately, it's going to be the closest person to that number in the next week. Okay. I really like. I'm sure somebody will guess within $1,000. I would hope, unless you're just totally off and you don't know what I'm making. But preferably, we'll give it a week. If somebody can get within $1,000, then I'll give the scale to you. If nobody does, we'll roll it over a week and we'll try another contest. How does that sound? Because I think you should be able to guess it within 1,000 to get it. You know, if the closest person comes within 10,000, you don't get it. Closest person, or the first person to get within $1,000, we'll give it a week and we'll go from there. Does that make sense? So I'll be back here Wednesday next week with an announcement of who wins that scale finally. Kind of a 3-minute roundabout way of me explaining how to win that scale. Hopefully you get it. What did I make gross profit? Not gross sales, gross profit. What was my take home before I paid my taxes this year? Okay? I have the number written up on the big board over there. I know exactly what it is. So I look forward to your guesses. Hopefully you guys don't think too low of me. Hopefully you went up. Now that's not tipping you off. I did have a slow year last year, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, here we go.